Gaurav, about your WhatsApp conversation with Riya Chakraborty, what do you have to say about that?
I have not had any communication with her since 2017, and the case that we are relating to is 2020, so I don't even see the connection.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस ने लिया एक sinister turn after one peddler of illegal substances has allegedly claimed he knows Riya's brother Shouvik and Riya Chakraborty's brother Shouvik to be summoned by NCB this week. In another setback to Riya, Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi has alleged that ये illegal substances वो सुशांत के घर तक डिलीवर करती थी। And also claimed that Riya was the one handling Sushant's finances. While Riya Chakraborty had managed to gather some sympathy and support after her 2 interviews to 2 news channels in her defense, it looks like the evidence and allegations against her continue to keep getting serious. Though she has denied consuming any illegal or banned substances and even offered to take a blood test, it now looks like that the angle of illegal substances is turning out to be far more sinister than it seemed earlier. The Enforcement Directorate, who first initiated a probe into a possible illegal substances angle and involved the Narcotics Control Bureau after deleted chats from Riya's phone records indicated a possible purchase of illegal substances, there are allegations now that Riya Chakraborty possibly interacted with people regarding several types of banned substances and has also been accused by Sushant's family of having given him illegal substances. The Narcotics Control Bureau nabbed 2 peddlers of banned substances who allegedly supplied this material to celebrities in Bollywood. It seems that Riya and her brother have suffered a major setback after one of these 2 peddlers has claimed to know Riya's brother Shouvik. The NCB has filed a criminal case against Riya Chakraborty and will also be questioning hotelier Gaurav Arya, with whom Riya allegedly interacted about the purchase of banned substances in 2017.
I have not had any communication with her since 2017, and the case that we are relating to is 2020, so I don't even see the connection.
Gaurav had initially claimed that he had interacted with Riya once but didn't know Sushant and has no connection with this case. Gaurav has been interrogated by the ED and it seems he will also be questioned by the CBI and the NCB. Riya and her lawyer have repeatedly stated that she did not consume any banned substances and is willing to undergo tests. In addition to Gaurav Arya, another name that cropped up in the infamous chats that blew the lid off a new angle in the case is Sushant's ex-manager, Shruti Modi. Shruti, who was summoned by the ED for questioning, has now reportedly told the CBI during questioning that she used to deliver the parcels. She has claimed कि उन्हें नहीं पता था कि parcels में क्या है. Shruti's lawyer has also alleged कि Shruti started working with Sushant in late July but did not know कि वो क्या deliver कर रही थी and she had been told it was tobacco. एक फोन पे आए मैसेज की वजह से श्रुति को पता चला कि बैंड सब्सटेंसेस पर बातचीत हो रही है. Following which she spoke to Sushant, who assured her that she will not be involved in such chats anymore. श्रुति के लॉयर ने ये भी कहा है कि सुशांत के ड्राइवर कम बॉडीगार्ड सोहेल और कुक अशोक बैंड सब्सटेंस नागपुर और नासिक से लेके आते थे. एंड श्रुति हैज आल्सो अलेज्ड दैट रिया वाज द वन हैंडलिंग सुशांत्स फाइनेंसेस. क्या सच है और क्या झूठ, और आखिर क्या हुआ सुशांत की जिंदगी में जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने इतना ड्रास्टिक स्टेप उठाया, ये तो अब पूरी इंक्वायरी के बाद ही पता चलेगा.